everyone, my name Leo. I from Wonder One Club today speaking test English for academic star one.
Okay, so here, Leo,
She,
tell me who is in the picture and tell something about her or him.
she is my mom. She like to cook. She is my grandma. She like to watch TV. She is my sister. She like to cooking. Sing. He is my dad. He like to eat. He he is my brother. He like to play.
Look at the picture carefully. Tell what feeling or emotion is shown in the picture. Then, make one complete sentence about it using the correct feeling.
She is happy. She is sad. He is hungry. She is scared. He is hot. He is cold. She is hungry. Hungry. He is dirty. He is tired.
Okay, answer the questions with yes, I am or no, I'm not. Are you tired?
Yes,
Are you hungry?
no, I'm not.
Are you hot?
No, I'm not.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I am.
Are you scared?
No, I'm not. Thank you. And listening